Welcome! Monetizing your YouTube Shorts, a simple guide to earning cash. Introduction. YouTube Shorts has become a popular platform for creators to showcase their creativity and engage with a wide audience in a short and snappy format. While YouTube Shorts originally started as a fun way to share brief videos, it has now evolved into a potential source of income for content creators. In this guide, we'll explore how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts and turn your passion into profit. 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Before diving into monetization, ensure that your channel meets the eligibility criteria set by YouTube. As of the time of writing, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and your videos should have accumulated at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, ensure that your channel adheres to YouTube's community guidelines and has no copyright or policy violations. To enable monetization on your channel. To enable monetization, access your YouTube Studio and navigate to the Monetization tab. Follow the instructions to set up an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. This is necessary to receive payments from YouTube for the ads shown on your shorts. 3. Create engaging and original shorts. The key to gaining traction and attracting viewers to your shorts is to create compelling and original content. Be innovative with your ideas, focus on storytelling, and use engaging visuals to capture your audience's attention within the first few seconds. Four, keep it short and sweet. Remember that shorts are designed to be quick and to the point, lasting up to 60 seconds. It's crucial to deliver your message concisely, so viewers are more likely to watch your entire video and engage with it. Aim to provide value or entertainment right from the start. Five, optimize your titles and descriptions. Craft attention-grabbing titles and descriptions for your shorts. Use relevant keywords to help your videos surface in search results and recommendations. This will increase your videos' visibility and attract more viewers, increasing your potential for earning. 6. Utilize trending topics and challenges. Stay up to date with the latest trends, challenges, and viral topics. Creating content that aligns with current trends can significantly increase your chances of going viral and attracting a larger audience to your shorts. 7. Promote your shorts. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to promote your shorts. Share them on your other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to reach a broader audience and encourage engagement. 8. Encourage viewer interaction. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to their comments, answer questions, and show appreciation for their support. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also signals to YouTube that your content is engaging and relevant, potentially leading to more visibility. Nine, utilize end screens and cards. Use YouTube's end screens and cards to promote your other videos, playlists, and your channel's subscribe button. Ten, join the YouTube Partner Program YPP. As your shorts gain popularity and your channel meets the YPP requirements, consider joining the YouTube Partner Program. This program offers additional monetization opportunities, such as super chats, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf integration. '11. Keep an eye on analytics. Stay informed about your shorts performance through YouTube. Analytics monitor your video's watch time, audience retention, and audience demographics. Analyzing this data will help you understand what content resonates best with your audience and refine your future shorts accordingly. Conclusion. Monetizing your YouTube Shorts can be a rewarding experience if you focus on creating engaging and original content while adhering to YouTube's guidelines. By meeting the eligibility requirements, enabling monetization, and actively promoting your shorts, you can increase your chances of earning cash from your creative endeavors. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and dedication, so stay consistent, adapt to trends, and most importantly, have fun while sharing your passion with the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.